In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as a file in Outlook. We'll walk through doing this in the Outlook web browser, and I'll explain the different file types so you pick the one that fits your needs. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. At the top, select All Microsoft to see the list of services, then choose Outlook. On the Outlook page, click Sign In, follow the prompts to access your mailbox, and once you're in, locate the email you want to save. You can browse your inbox or use the search bar if that's quicker. Make sure you're looking at the exact message you want to keep, especially if it includes important details or attachments you'll need later. In Outlook on the web, you have a few saving options. If you want a copy that you can open later in an email program, look for File, then choose Download. You can download your email as an EML or an MSG file. EML is a widely compatible format that works with many email clients and preserves the message content and attachments. MSG is designed for Microsoft Outlook and is ideal if you plan to keep working with the email inside Outlook on a Windows PC. Both formats keep the email structure intact, including sender, subject, date, and any included files. If you prefer a document-style copy that's easy to share or archive, you can save the email as a PDF. To do that, choose Print. Don't worry, you're not actually printing yet. This opens a preview. In the print window, click Destination and select Save as PDF. You'll see a preview of exactly how the message will look as a document. When it looks right, click Save. Choose a folder you'll remember and use a clear file name so it's easy to find later. A quick tip: PDF is great for sharing, record keeping, or when you need a read-only copy that's consistent across devices. EML or MSG is better when you want to keep the original email behavior, like forwarding it later or viewing full headers. If the message has attachments and you need those as separate files, downloading as EML or MSG preserves them. Saving as a PDF generally won't include the attachments as separate downloads. That's it, simple and reliable. You've just seen how to download an email in Outlook as EML, MSG, or PDF, depending on what you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.